Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sybil and you are looking at some adorable cute stamps, and then underneath these stamps are some other products from CC Designs, some dies, and also I have put together some papers and some embellishments that I plan on using for the CC Designs collaboration, which is hosted by Grace. And Grace's YouTube channel is Gracie21, and there are 4 of us participating in this collaboration. And so the collaboration starts next month, and each Saturday the 4 of us will share with you projects that we've created with these adorable CC Design stamps and dies. And so I'm going to have everybody's YouTube channel link down below in the description box, so please be sure and check them out, because today all of us will be sharing with you some of the items that we will be using. So let me share with you what I've got here. But first, in this little pile are stamps and dies that are new to me and I have not colored before or used before. All but one item in this little pile are from Jamie's Not Too Shabby shop. She had a sale, I think it was last month. Was it last month or was it in June? And it was a really good sale on all the CC Design products. So I ran over there and I picked up some. Otherwise, I would only have had about 5 or 6 stamps to work with. So what I picked up and what I plan on doing is I do want to make some Christmas cards and get ahead with my Christmas projects, but I also plan on creating some, I don't want to give it away, but I'm going to be creating some projects for my planners. I'll just say it that way. I will give one thing away. I do plan on creating some adorable paper clips, but you'll have to see what they look like and exactly what products I'll be using. So that's my big teaser. So let me share with you these sweet Christmas stamps. This is called Bulb Lucy, and she came out I think last year. So cute. Love it. Brigida's Snow Heart. Isn't she precious with those cute little booties on? I love it. And then this one, Christmas Rose. And again, these are new to me. I haven't colored these, so I'm going to have fun. This is the Snow Village. So you get the 2 little houses, some trees, a fence, and a little snowflake. Yeah, I said it right the first time. I'm talking like I'm flaky, but really cute stamp set. And then this stamp set, I have this here because my friend Tina Kappa, who's also in the collaboration, she gave me this stamp set last year and I did not use it. So I've got that here to use. Really cute. It's called Snowman Sentiments. And then I also picked up this die from Jamie's shop, Winter Borders. So you've got like a little snowdrift, you've got, like icicles hanging down, and then some trees. So that will be fun to create a scene card. And I wanted to share with you some of the papers that I plan on using. I'm going to be using this really pretty paper from my mind's eye called Sugar Plum. It's an older line, but it has sparkles and glitter. It's just beautiful. So I plan on using that. And I do want to make some masculine cards. So I plan on using this blue paper. I love working with blue for Christmas. Really pretty. And then this cute Doodlebugs Frosty Friends. I wanted to use this with the CC Designs because it's got a lot of purple, and I don't usually create with purple at all, but especially around Christmas, so I thought that would be kind of fun to challenge myself. And then this pretty paper Snow Village. It's got lots of beautiful papers in there. So there's that for the Christmas. And then these are some of my older CC Design stamps that I've had for years and years that I absolutely love. A few of them I've had for years and years. These two. I love this little snowy wall with the lamp. I've almost sold that a few times, but I just pull it back and say no because I love it too much. I want to keep it. And then Emma. And then Coffee Brigitte. I have never used it. I have it, but I've never used it. And then this one, it's for Valentine's Day, but I thought they're two little fawns. You know, fawns go with Christmas. So, and I'd already colored it, and I thought I can just die cut those images and make a really cute Christmas card or even a fall themed card. And speaking of fall, I've got some goodies here to create some fall projects. Pumpkin, beatrice, and what I usually do with this little stamp is I stamp it out and then I fussy cut and I cut off the ponytails and turn Beatrice into Baxter. I turn him into a boy. So yeah, because I have sons, so I just think that's such a cute little stamp. And then CC Designs Clove with coffee, and I colored him up already, and I can just create a project with that. I recently purchased this from the CC Designs shop. They were having a big sale, so really cute fall dies here. Acorns, leaves, hearts, and then I just picked out some ephemera and some paper pads to create fall themed projects. I don't want to tell you all that I have up my sleeve, but yes. And then I do want to make, this is also a new stamp for me. It's Happy Birthday to You, Brigitte. My daughter-in-law, her birthday is in October, and so I want to create a birthday card, and October's my favorite month of the year, and it's in my favorite season of the year, autumn. So I thought it'd be really fun to create a card and then maybe, you know, do it in fall colors and put it on there. She needs a little sweater though, so I'll see what I can come up with. But anyway, yeah, that's what I plan on doing for this collaboration. That's a little bit of what I plan on doing. Like I said, I have some ideas that I'm really looking forward to. Stretching myself outside of the box of just making cards. I am a card maker. That's the main thing that I do. But yeah, I want to do a couple other little projects for this collaboration. So thank you everyone for watching my video, and come along for the fun time that we'll be having next month each Saturday. And our videos will post, it'll be 12 o'clock Pacific Standard Time that our videos will post. All right, I will talk to you later, and thank you, Grace, for hosting this fun collaboration. I am excited for it. Bye, everyone.